Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to check disk and system errors in any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, I will show you the first step. So when you go to this PC and you can see here different hard drives. So to check the disk error, what you need to do is just right click and go to the properties. In the properties you can see here tools, just click on tools and you can see here this option will check the drive for file system errors. So you can click here, check errors, and you can just proceed it. So this is the first step, but this step is not completely reliable as it misses or skips most of the errors. So the second process which I am going to show is much reliable and trustworthy. So the second step, what you need to do, you need to click on the right click and you need to search for the command prompt. So in Windows 10, here you will see a Windows PowerShell and Windows PowerShell admin. So how you can bring back the command prompt here? So for this, just right click on the taskbar and click on the taskbar settings. Now here what you need to do, you can see here replace command prompt. So we'll enable the command prompt here. Just turn this off, just close this window. Now once again move your cursor to the start menu, just right click. Now you can see here command prompt admin, just click it. Now you can see here command prompt. So this is command prompt run in the administrator mode. So now to check the disk error, what you need to type here is chkdsk, that is the check disk. Once you type this command, hit enter, wait for a few seconds, it will start scanning. As you can see, let it completely scan up to the 100%. So wait for some minutes until the process gets complete. So finally you can see the check disk error is completed. So here you can see here it's written like disk 0 KB in back sector, so there is no errors and almost the disk is completely off, free of errors. So in this way you can completely scan for disk errors using the command prompt, and I will highly suggest you to do this command prompt process to check the disk error rather than just going to this PC and clicking on the check disk errors. So this process using the command prompt is highly reliable. So this is all about the how to check the disk errors. Now let's proceed to the second topic, that is this how to check the system errors. So for this, once again just move to the start menu again, right click and just select the command prompt admin. And once again this will open up the command prompt program. Now here what you need to type is type sfc, hit space, slash scan now. Now after typing this command in your command prompt, just hit enter, wait for a few seconds. Now you can see here beginning system scan. This may take some minutes or some half an hour also, depending upon how big your storage is. So have patience and let it get complete automatically till you get the final results. So finally you can see the system errors scanning is completed. Now here you will get a report like here. If there was something error files has been found, then they will be showing you here. So you can see here Windows Richard Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them. So it could not solve some files, and here it is showing what you can do for its solutions, like they're recommending like for online repair details are included, just like that details they have included, but it will try its best to solve those system errors automatically. So don't worry if you found any corrupt files, it will not hamper your system or slow down any of your computer. So using this process you can check disk and system errors and also fix those errors too in any Windows computer. So if you have never known or never tried this cool tricks, then I should definitely suggest you to try this disk and system errors at least once in a month, so that you can find out or solve yourself of any errors that you might be facing due to some disk or system errors. So if you have never tried, then definitely you should try it today. So don't worry, it will not hamper any of your computer's performance, and it is totally safe to use these commands. So I will highly recommend you to share this cool tips with your friends and relatives too, because it will gonna help them too in some ways in some day. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.